Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai guys. It could be almost any Hyundai. You have a humming, grinding or growling sound coming from the rear of your car. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that, number one reason, and how to fix it. Now, usually you start hearing that at higher speeds and eventually you can even, it can get louder and hear it even at lower speeds. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. For any of you that need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. These guys, right here is a Hyundai Sonata that we'll be demonstrating on. So, if you look at it guys, this is rear wheel bearing assembly, right there. That rear wheel bearing assembly holds the hub assembly, the lug bolts and everything. Now, if you look at it guys, it's mounted right here. Now, that bearing, it's supposed to be super nice and smooth, but eventually with years, the bearing can start wear out. And that wear, can cause wear to the little balls of the bearing inside or develop microplay that will cause actually humming noise at higher speeds. Usually you will start noticing it probably above 50 miles per hour, or about 80 kilometers per hour. Sometimes it's hard to tell on which side it's coming from, left or right. I had a friend actually sit on the back seat, a friend was driving me, I sit on the back seat and I found that way if it's on the left or the right side. But if one of them goes bad on the rear, replace both, because eventually the other one will go bad too. Now, that noise eventually guys, if you keep driving, which you shouldn't, drive with the wheel bearing, will get louder and louder because the bearing will develop, more play, more wear, and it will kind of like sound like grinding, growling noise coming from the rear wheel. And you'll start noticing it at lower speeds as well. At some point, you may even develop play in the wheel that can cause even more noise, and eventually it can put even more wear on the tire, and make your vehicle unstable and develop play as well. So, now if you want to see how to replace rear wheel bearing assembly guys, on Hyundai, we have it, the video is called Hyundai Sonata Rear Wheel Bearing Assembly Replacement. It will teach you how to do that without actually removing the brakes for the parking brake, the one that are in the drum, because those are actually a pain. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.